Welcome to one of the last remaining 12-cylinder sedans still on the market. This is the Bentley Flying Spur Speed W12. It is absolutely magnificent. The Flying Spur is available with a V8, a hybrid V6, and for a limited time, a W12 engine. Bentley has confirmed it is ceasing production of its W12 in April next year, as the company moves towards electrification. It's very sad because this engine goes so well with the overall character of the Flying Spur. Smooth and calm, yet immensely powerful and majestic. Being the Speed means it features a number of sporty, performance-oriented highlights, with this example wearing some carbon fibre exterior trimmings, including a subtle lip spoiler on the boot. The Flying Spur is based on Volkswagen Group's MSB platform, like the Porsche Panamera and the Continental. It comes with adjustable air suspension as standard, along with four-wheel steering. As you'd expect, the attention to detail is awesome. Check out these carbon fibre side skirts, with special imprinted Bentley logos. There's also an exquisite flying bee sculpture that rises out from the nose, complete with illuminated wings, and even double glazed windows for sound and climate insulation. It is pretty much completely silent inside. The Speed showcases an interior that manages to blend sportiness and pampering luxury into one lounge room on wheels. Some of the dash is starting to show signs of its age, considering this generation has been around now for about 4 years. But it's actually refreshing to see physical controls and things that move for a change, as opposed to seeing digital screens everywhere. These are not your typical buttons or controls either. Most of the switchgear is crafted from metal and polished to perfection. This example includes some carbon fibre across the dash and doors, while the diamond quilted seats are about as comfortable as lying in bed. In the back, your head is cradled in a soft, suede-wrapped pillow, and you can recline the seat and totally relax. Passenger space is obviously not an issue here. You've got your own climate control and centre console, and the option of a bespoke Bang & Olufsen for Bentley sound system incorporating 16 speakers. It's a $15,000 upgrade. A large boot provides excellent cross-country touring capability, although we doubt many owners will be carrying their own luggage, but at least the option is there. At the heart of the Speed is this glorious 6-litre twin-turbo W12 engine. It is essentially two staggered 6-cylinder engines merged together, loosely based on VW's VR6 engine, spinning on a common crankshaft. It's so smooth you can balance a coin on its side on top of the engine while it's idling. And we recorded this on a windy day, which means you could probably rev the engine a little bit too, and it would remain balancing. With 467 kilowatts and 900 newton meters, it is very empowering to drive. You're always aware that you have this massive amount of energy right at your foot. As such, performance is outstanding, especially considering this weighs in at around 2.4 tons. A similar thing could be said about the handling. You can properly get up this machine and tackle a spirited road, and it just looks back at you as if to say, is that all you've got? The four-wheel steering helps to improve agility in lower speed corners and increase stability during higher speed bends. But the air suspension is what is truly unbelievable. It's hard to understand how it can soak up big bumps so comfortably, yet remain flat and committed around corners at speed, even transitioning between tight switchbacks. Since this is one of the last 12-cylinder sedans to exist on the market, I'll just be quiet for a bit so you can see how well it drives on a fun road. This is what it goes like.